Okay, I'm trying to find some good lighting. I hope this isn't too... The lighting situation is real. What? Can't even film. Okay, so I'm like looking up here. Really, my sister's gonna be like, you're supposed to look at the lens page right here. And you're gonna click, you're gonna... Yes.
Okay, we'll be right over with you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use Walmart grocery pickup. I have been using it since before the pandemic and I really like it a lot. I'm gonna make it quick because I feel like people go on a video, like search a video like a how-to. They want it like straight to the point and quick. At least when I'm looking for a how-to, I've seen videos that are like 30 minutes long on how to do something. So I will put the time right here on where to go, where I'm actually showing you how to make your account in the video, because I'm also thinking to actually like go to the store, show you how the pickup works, and then I may just, while I'm at it, show you everything I picked up at Walmart and what I like to buy for my family. I'm going to put a link down below. With that link, you'll get $10 off a $50 purchase, like a minimum of $50. So I'm going to link that down below. So it'll get $10 off. So you can use that and then it'll take you straight to make an account. I hope it works. Perfect. So then it's going to bring you, once you click the link, it's going to bring you to this page right here. Okay, hey guys, so once you click the link, it's going to bring you to this page and you are going to enter in your email address. Once you enter in your email, you're going to push save $10 now. And it'll bring you to this page. You will copy this code or you can write it down because you will need it at checkout. Okay, so once you're done, it'll bring you to this page. And this is just going to show you how to navigate the site. So I'm just going to skip over it, but you can go through it. Okay, so this is the product page, and I am just going to push add to cart on just random things so I can show you how to check out. So of course, when you want to add a product, you're going to push add to cart, and then if you want more than one product, there's a little addition sign that you can add more than one. Then there's a search bar up above that you can search the products that you would like. I'm just searching up some diapers. It didn't come up. The brand that I want, it didn't come up, so I'm going to search the specific brand. I'm just going to add some wipe. Then continue to type in Hello Bello diapers to be more specific. And these are coming up, so I'm going to choose my size. Those are out of stock. So I'll just choose size 6. Those are in stock. And I'm going to push add to cart. And if they're out of stock, that means they're, out of stock in the store. So even if you were to go into the store, they wouldn't have them. And on the upper left-hand side, you can push that and a tab will come down and you can search by department. Another thing that's good to know is you can purchase alcohol and they will bring it out to you. Of course, you have to be 21 or older. Okay, and then I really love this feature. There's a heart above each product on the upper right-hand side, and you can click that for like your favorite products, things that you order, staples. Okay, and this is going to actually make your account. So you're going to enter in your information here, your name, your last name, your email address, and then a password to be able to log in. And it's nice to have an account because your orders are saved, your receipts are saved, your favorites are saved, your favorite products, your staples. So I really like that feature a lot. Right here I'm just putting in my password. And we are moving along. Create. Okay, so create account. I'm going to push save password. And I am going to continue to add things to my cart. Okay, so on this portion, you are going to be able to schedule a pickup date and time. And if you can see, I'm going to click the 22nd, the 23rd, and it shows all the availability. So I'm going to click the 22nd, 11 a.m., check out now. And it has a space for you to put in your debit card as well as an EBT card. Then you're going to enter in the code that you used at the beginning. And it says that I need a $50 minimum. So I'm going to go back and add more to my cart. Okay, so I'm just going to add some more random things to my cart to make sure that it's a $50 purchase so I can get the $10 off. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to checkout to add in the promo code right here. So I copied and pasted it, push apply, and there it is, $10 off. Okay, so since I didn't officially check out, it didn't let me continue. I am going to finish explaining how the pickup works in the sit down that I filmed. So if you just came for this portion of the video, thank you for watching. And if not, continue watching for a grocery haul as well as me actually going to the store to pick up my groceries. Thank you. When your order's ready, it'll notify you. It'll send you a text message because you're gonna put in all your information at the beginning. And then it'll text you and let you know that your order is ready. And when you're about to be on your way, or when you're on your way, you can push check in, and if you allow it to know where your location is, it'll kind of map you out and know how long it takes. They'll be ready for you to get there. And then once you get there, you drive up, and I'm gonna insert a clip of me actually like driving up to the pickup, and then you'll see. So I'm here waiting for my groceries. The kids. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Say hi, Jaden.
Hi.
And we're just waiting. Have we done this before?
No. Yes.
It doesn't take long, right? It's very convenient because we have baby in the
I
back.
thought you said like.
Just waiting. I have one other vehicle waiting. So it's not... Sometimes it is busy, but most of the time it's not.
I put my Starbucks right there.
Right there.
Oh,
So,
Mom, I'm also be in the YouTube video.
Hello, miss.
Hello.
Are you picking up for today?
for Stacy? Yes.
Okay, we'll be right out with you.
Okay, thank you. And I just give them my name, and then they go back in and they bring my groceries out. Usually I'll get out of the car and help them like load up my groceries, just because if I can, obviously. I feel weird if they're like loading all my groceries and I don't even help. But right now at the moment, they prefer us to just stay in the car, and it's understandable because not everyone's comfortable at this time right now. Okay. Here my groceries come. Let's see. I believe he's gonna come up and ask me if I approve the substitutions. Oh.
After Stacy, right?
Yes.
And were you okay with the substitutions today?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know what they are, or do you want me to go? Okay.
Yeah, they're fine. Thank you.
And then were you? Oh, sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and initial first and last name. That way you don't have to.
Oh, cool. I was like,
device.
perfect. Thank you.
I was gonna say the same thing again. Were you okay with the substitution? I don't know why you keep.
That's okay. I can open it, right?
Yeah.
Or okay. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm okay with the substitutions, and then I just open my trunk, and there go my groceries. I will update you when we get home. I may do a haul of what I bought. See you guys later. Okay, just got home and I'm going to show you what I picked up at Walmart. I'm gonna double check the Siete cassava flour tortillas. I really like these. Some seaweed because my daughter and I are going to make sushi. These little Tortilla Land mini uncooked, ready to cook tortillas, and then the big pack. And then if you want to know pricing, I'll list it below. These are like $7. So they're a little pricey, but I like my son to eat them. So he has these. And then we're going to try these. I think they were like $2.95 gluten-free, just to have some kind of snack, I guess. This coconut oil, it's a good price. It's comparable to the price at Sam's Club. It's $10, I believe. And then I'm like, I love this mayonnaise. So I got 2 of them. It is a bit pricey, but it's good too as well. We go through a lot of mustard. I picked up this jelly. And then I'm going to try the liquid aminos, some onions, 2 bags of avocados, Lay's chips, the organic Tostitos, cereal. Let's see this one. Pumpkin seed and flax granola. This cereal is actually pretty good. The kids like it. I got some organic gala apples. They were on sale for like $4, I think. Some organic broccoli, potatoes. This is actually pretty good. The Great Value whole grain bread, I believe. And then the Dave's Killer Bread is really good too. My kids like this one. What else? The mini cucumbers I love to have as a snack with hummus. I got 2 stalks of celery. The only thing is that Walmart does have a limit on some things. So this was a limit of 2. Some carrots for our sushi, the cucumbers for sushi, some spinach for smoothies, and I'm so happy they had this, the organic romaine lettuce, which they haven't had for a while. And then I thought I would get more jalapenos, but that'll do. And then some cabbage, and I have a baby. He's 5 months, so he's almost 6 months. So I'm gonna start making his baby food. Sweet potato. They didn't have organic peas, so they substituted. And oh no, wait, sweet potato pumpkin. I think these are like $1.98. I love having these on hand. And then this is really good ham. I believe it's $4. Like I said, I'll list everything in the description box. And then this I haven't tried, but I've heard good reviews on it. I wanted vanilla, but they didn't have any, so we're gonna try this. Corn, some berries for smoothies, some wild salmon, and then I love getting the, let's see, the grass-fed, organic grass-fed ground beef. And it is grass finished as well, I believe. I don't know. I'll look into it. And what else? What else? Yogurt, bananas, cherry tomatoes, Roma tomato, cilantro, cucumbers, yeah. All right, so a round brush. I don't know how much this was. Some razors, organic onesies, toothbrushes. Can you get out? I can't talk with you in here. It's weird. It's so weird. Bye, Felicia. I don't know. Okay, I got the Hello Bello wipes. These are $5, and they didn't have Hello Bello diapers, but it's all good. So I'm going to try these. It says no bad fragrances, no chlorine, no parabens, no latex, no drama, and I believe they donate a pack of diapers to someone in need when you buy a pack, so I like that. Onesies, oh, this. I love this stuff. You can do so much with it, and it's actually like $13 at Walmart, and I have always bought it at Target for like $16, and it's the same amount, so Walmart has it. And then Q-tips and toothbrushes. So like I said, and I usually buy bamboo toothbrushes, but we don't have any, so I'm like, I'm just gonna get whatever. You can get non-grocery items. I call this grocery because anything consumable to me is grocery, but you know what I mean. So yeah, that's my haul. I get to spray all this down with Thieves and use my Thieves Veggie soak for the vegetables. Okay, so right here I am using my Thieves Veggie soak. So it is not soap, it is for vegetables. It cleans them really well. I really like using it. This is my second time using it, and I feel like it just really gets everything off the vegetables that you don't want on there. I will also have a link down below where you can order the Thieves Veggie Soak as well as the Thieves Cleaner. And if you like what you see, subscribe, click the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. And I may do a Sam's pickup and a Costco pickup. I know Sam's Club and Costco, you do have to like get out of the car and go get your groceries, but they have everything ready for you. So I can also do a video like that. If you want to see that, just give this video a like, and I will see you guys later. I hope everyone is healthy and safe, and if you're not, I'm praying for you. So yeah, stay safe, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.